We're going to do a brief video on USDJPY Technical Analysis. Let's take a look at this daily chart. It's got a 200-day moving average in blue, a red 20-day moving average, a green 5-day moving average. As we stretch this out so we can make a better analysis of it, we see that we put in a high here on the 21st of 151.94. There's rumors that the Japanese are trying to defend their currency and push this down. I don't think they're going to be successful, but clearly you can see it closed yesterday below the 20-day, and it looks like today it closed above the 5-day and above the 20-day as well. Let me make sure. Yep, so it closed above both the 5-day and the 20-day today, so they're successfully defending it. I'm not sure if they're going to be able to continue to do that much longer, but you're going up against the government, so who knows. But let's take a look on the hourly chart and see what it looks like. For some reason we're having problems with this chart today. This is an hourly chart of the yen versus, or the dollar versus the yen, and we can see this is now clearly, in my mind, this is beginning to look like manipulated currencies. Not that that's negative in any way. The governments can do whatever they want to do. It's their currency. But it clearly looks like it's artificially being depressed, and it looks like they're successfully doing that. We're now below the 200-day moving average. Of course, all my comments are for entertainment purposes only, all my opinion. But we're below the 200-hour moving average here on the intraday basis. We're above the 20-hour, which is interesting. So they've pushed it down, and they've got it below. It was above the 200-hour moving average. Now they've pushed it below, but the market's coming back and saying, hey, you don't think so, and they're pushing it back up. So there's somewhere in here is a number that if in fact it's being managed by governments, that number's in here somewhere. I don't know where that is. I suspect it's probably the 150 level, but it may be lower. You can see there's a lot of selling in here. Somebody's selling the heck out of it all day today. So maybe that level is more like the 148 level. But somebody's selling the heck out of it, and that's what that looks like to me. We will see Monday if they can continue to do that. And I guess we're just going to have to wait and let it play out. Once a market begins to be influenced by participants like right here and right here, participants that are not regular market participants, to put it politely, then you really can't tell what's going to happen. It's no longer a technical analysis situation. It's a different situation. I don't want to use the manipulated word, but it becomes something that you can't really use technical analysis to determine what's going on. We shall see Monday if they're able to do it. If you have pent-up demand for something and somebody's artificially keeping it down, and they lose the fight, you get an explosion. So we can look for that. Down here, I don't see the risk, the downside risk in this. This is where I see this going if they give up trying to defend it. What is their commitment to defending it? I don't know. Are they defending it? I don't know. I'm just guessing. But if someone's defending this currency, the risk is up here, in my opinion, not down here. So we'll have to wait and see how it plays out. But I believe this market's gotten to the point now where short-term analysis of it is kind of mute. But we'll see next week for sure. So let's go down here and take a look and see what RBAM research thinks about it for entertainment purposes only. For Monday the 31st, USD versus JPY. This is a short at 146.84. It says if it gets there, that's probably a good short. Again, for entertainment purposes only. Can't use it for anything other than entertainment. You trade at your own risk. But let's go across here. 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20 days. 146.84 for the 1 day. 147.58. Across the board from the 2-day to the 20-day. So this algo is saying, hey, if they do sell it down, short it. That's, again, for entertainment purposes only. For Monday, October 31st. If you want access to these every day before 7 a.m., you can get them all at rbamresearch.com. Link in the description below. Absolutely no cost, no credit card required. Takes you to RBAM Research, and you just put in your email address and get it immediate access to everything, including 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. If you go by the night before, everything but crypto is updated just after 6 p.m. and crypto is updated just after 8 p.m. the night before, but officially 7 a.m. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here, especially my commentary and the entry prices, is all for entertainment purposes only. Can't use it for anything other than entertainment. You always need to do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment for us, we'd love to hear it in the comment section below.